The 2025 Bentley Bentayga has arrived, and it's redefining luxury in the SUV world once again. With exquisite craftsmanship, cutting-edge technology, and jaw-dropping performance, this new Bentayga is a statement of prestige and power. So, what makes the 2025 model stand out? Stay tuned as we take a deep dive into everything you need to know about Bentley's most refined SUV yet. The 2025 Bentayga carries Bentley's signature elegance and presence with a more refined front fascia, updated LED matrix headlights, and a wider grille, giving it an even more commanding stance. At the rear, sleek OLED taillights and a sportier bumper enhance its modern appeal. And let's not forget the exclusive 22-inch alloy wheels that add a touch of sophistication and power. It's available in a range of bespoke colors, including Bentley's newest Royal Sapphire Blue and Emerald Green, making each Bentayga a true work of art. Step inside, and you're greeted by pure luxury and comfort. The 2025 Bentayga's cabin is a masterpiece, featuring hand-stitched leather, sustainable wood veneers, and crystal-clear glass switches. A new fully digital 12.3-inch driver's display and a 15-inch curved infotainment screen provide a seamless tech experience. Plus, with Bentley's new AI-powered voice assistant, controlling your car has never been easier. Rear passengers are treated to massaging, ventilated seats, a wireless entertainment system, and a diamond-quilted Alcantara headliner, making every journey feel like first-class travel. Under the hood, the 2025 Bentayga offers multiple powertrain options, including a 4.0L twin-turbo V8 producing 550 horsepower for thrilling acceleration, a 6.0L W12 engine with 650 horsepower in the Speed model, making it one of the fastest SUVs on the planet. A new plug-in hybrid variant, combining an electric motor with a V6 engine, delivering 450 horsepower while improving efficiency. And with an adaptive air suspension, advanced all-wheel drive, and rear-wheel steering, the Bentayga delivers both a plush ride and dynamic handling. Bentley has packed the 2025 Bentayga with cutting-edge tech, including Bentley AI Drive, an autonomous driving system for effortless cruising. Augmented reality head-up display, providing real-time navigation directly on the windshield. Bentley's new biometric wellness system, which adjusts temperature, music, and seat settings based on your mood. And of course, a 23-speaker Naim audio system turns your Bentayga into a private concert hall. The 2025 Bentley Bentayga starts at around $200,000, with higher trims and bespoke options pushing it past $300,000. Bentley has already begun deliveries in select markets, and orders are filling up fast. So, if you want to own one of the most luxurious SUVs in the world, now's the time to act. With its unrivaled luxury, breathtaking performance, and next-level technology, the 2025 Bentley Bentayga continues to dominate the luxury SUV segment. But what do you think? Is this the ultimate luxury SUV, or is there another that can compete? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, hit that like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to Auto World, and for the latest updates on luxury and performance cars. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.